Thank you very much, Ms. Tina. Good morning and welcome to each and every one of you. We are conducting the first of a series of our Know Your Candidates. And today's special feature, I will properly introduce to you now. Of course, we're very honored. We're very happy to have him with us today. It's our privilege. And so I'd like to mention, why are we making Know Your Candidates? In all our Region 1 to 12, RPN 9, this is being done. And one of the first 5 requirements or qualities that we need to know about a candidate before we cast our vote consists of 5M. Ano po yung 5M? Number 1, maka-Diyos. Number 2, makatao at mapagkumbaba. Number 3, matalino at magaling. Number 4, maaasahan. At higit po sa lahat, mapagkakatiwalaan. I'm very privileged that in front of me now is a person who possesses all of those qualities. That's why I agreed to be hosting this press con for today. Alright, earlier nakita niyo na po ang kanyang political background. Of course, yung kanya pong pagiging political savvy did not come the easy way. He rose from the ranks as city councilor, as city vice mayor, as acting mayor, and then eventually as mayor of Malabon. It is during this period, under his watch, that Malabon economic growth zooms to the high. Why? For 3 consecutive years, the ILG gave them the seal of good governance. More than that, he has received numerous awards, multi-award for good management and good governance, and was the champion of good governance by Kaya Natin movement in 2014. Now, you might ask, how was he able to do all this? It did not come as a surprise because our distinguished guests had been equipped with good education. And he finished his high school at the Ateneo de Manila University, while moving back and forth in the Woods Priory in San Francisco, USA. So imagine niyo na nag-aaral ka ng high school, yung iba, mga self-supporting student. Siya nag-back and forth sa US, hindi po madali gawin yun. And then he finished his BA Political Science, still in the same university, the Ateneo de Manila University in Quezon City. Alam po naman natin na that's one of the top universities in the Philippines. Not contented with that, he also received a certificate of inclusive city making. Ano po yan? Pinag-aaralan dito, pinakamagaling na pwede mo gawin sa city mo. And that's from the Lee Kuan Yew School of Public Policy in Singapore. And then, nag-BA major po siya sa Japanese Studies. So mamaya huwag kayong magtaka kung mag-request tayo na kumanta siya ng Japanese. Alright? And of course, a certificate in leadership in Harvard Business School online. Ladies and gentlemen, it's both with great pride and pleasure that I present to you the man of the hour, our Mr. Pogi, as they said. The honorable, of course, is more popularly known as Lenlen, but Antolin A. Oreta III. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Yusek Robert, and thank you for having me. And sa mga lahat na nanonood at lahat nandito, maraming salamat.